What if farms could think? What if drones could monitor crops from the sky? While artificial intelligence predicts diseases before they spread. What if robots could harvest crops automatically? And smart systems could produce more food using less water. Right now, a new agricultural revolution is happening across the world. Technology is transforming farming faster than ever before. From artificial intelligence to robotics to smart irrigation systems, modern agriculture is entering a completely new era, and the countries that adopt these innovations early may shape the future of global food production. This is the future of agriculture. Agriculture has always been one of the most important industries in human history. Without farming, human civilization cannot survive. For thousands of years, farmers depended mainly on manual labor, seasonal rainfall, traditional knowledge, and simple farming tools. But modern agriculture now faces enormous challenges: climate change, water shortage, soil degradation, crop diseases, rising costs, and rapid population growth. Experts believe the world population could approach 10 billion people in the future. That means global food production must increase dramatically, but how can humanity produce more food? While resources become increasingly limited, the answer may come from innovation. Modern technologies are now transforming agriculture into smart farming, precision agriculture, automated farming, and sustainable food production. Artificial intelligence is becoming one of the biggest innovations in modern agriculture. AI systems can analyze huge amounts of agricultural data quickly and accurately. Using sensors, cameras, satellites, drones, and machine learning, AI helps farmers make smarter decisions. Smart farming technologies can detect crop diseases, monitor soil conditions, predict weather patterns, and improve productivity. Some AI systems identify unhealthy crops before humans can even notice visible signs. This allows farmers to respond early and reduce crop losses. AI also helps optimize fertilizer use instead of applying fertilizer equally across an entire farm. Smart systems determine exactly where nutrients are needed. This reduces waste, production costs, and environmental damage. Future farms may rely heavily on artificial intelligence for decision-making and management. Agricultural drones are changing farming rapidly. These flying machines can scan massive farms in minutes. Using advanced cameras and sensors, drones collect detailed information about crop health, water stress, pest damage, and plant growth. AI systems then analyze this information instantly. This helps farmers identify problems before they become severe. Some drones can also spray fertilizer, nutrients, and pesticides with incredible precision. Instead of spraying entire fields, farmers can target only affected areas. This improves efficiency while reducing chemical waste. Agricultural drones are making farming faster, smarter, and more sustainable. Water is one of the most valuable agricultural resources, but traditional irrigation systems waste enormous amounts of water. Smart irrigation systems are solving this problem using sensors, weather analysis, and artificial intelligence. These systems monitor soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and crop conditions. AI then determines exactly how much water crops need. Not too much, not too little, only the necessary amount. This helps conserve water, improve crop growth, and increase efficiency. In drought-prone regions, smart irrigation may become essential for future food production. Robotics is becoming another major agricultural innovation. Modern farms now use robots for planting, harvesting, weed removal, and livestock monitoring. Autonomous tractors use GPS navigation, AI systems, and machine learning to drive themselves across fields. Some harvesting robots can identify ripe fruits and vegetables automatically. Then they harvest them with precision and speed. This reduces labor demands while increasing productivity. In the future, robotic farming may become common worldwide. Precision agriculture is transforming how farms are managed today. It marks a shift from broad field farming to data-driven, localized precision management. Instead of treating an entire farm equally, farmers now manage different areas based on real-time conditions and microscopic data points. The land is visualized through a digital twin where every square highlights specific needs. Blue indicators show moisture levels across the terrain. Nitrogen levels appear in gold, while red zones indicate pest risks. This allows for an analytical and high-tech approach to crop health. This data convergence begins with satellites in deep space, beaming critical information down to the very heart of the soil. Solar-powered sensors placed throughout the field receive these signals, monitoring the environment every second of the day. The information flows through digital light paths, instantly reaching the farmer's handheld tablet for immediate action. This massive influx of data is centralized in high-tech control rooms, where every variable of the farm is monitored on multiple screens. Traditional irrigation covers the whole field indiscriminately, often leading to wasted resources and uneven crop growth. In contrast, precision systems target specific dry patches or weed clusters with surgical accuracy, maximizing every drop of water. Using GPS systems, drones, and AI analysis, farmers gain detailed insights that were impossible only a decade ago. This technology improves irrigation, fertilizer use, and pest control, reducing waste while significantly maximizing overall productivity. It represents one of the biggest technological shifts in modern farming, moving us toward a more sustainable and efficient future. By minimizing waste and optimizing yields, precision agriculture ensures that we can feed the world without exhausting our planet's resources. Another exciting agricultural innovation is vertical farming. Instead of growing crops on traditional farmland, vertical farms grow plants indoors in stacked layers. These systems use LED lighting, hydroponics, automation, and climate control. Vertical farming allows food production in cities, deserts, and regions with limited farmland. Because conditions are controlled, crops can grow year-round regardless of weather. Vertical farming also uses significantly less water than traditional agriculture. As urban populations increase, vertical farming may become increasingly important. Satellites are also transforming agriculture. Satellite technology helps farmers monitor crop growth, drought conditions, soil moisture, and environmental changes. This information improves agricultural planning and productivity. Governments and researchers also use satellite systems to predict food shortages, monitor climate impacts, and improve food security. Satellite farming technology is becoming increasingly important worldwide. Technology is also revolutionizing livestock farming. Farmers now use smart sensors and AI systems to monitor animals in real time. These systems track movement, feeding behavior, health conditions, and body temperature if animals become sick. AI systems may detect unusual behavior early. This helps farmers respond before diseases spread. Smart livestock systems improve productivity, efficiency, and animal welfare. Climate change is one of the greatest threats facing agriculture today. Extreme weather conditions are becoming more common worldwide. Climate-smart agriculture uses innovation to help farms adapt. This includes drought-resistant crops, AI monitoring systems, smart irrigation, renewable energy, and sustainable farming practices. The goal is to produce food while protecting natural resources. Future agriculture must become productive, sustainable, and resilient. The future of farming may look completely different from the past. Tomorrow's farms could become highly automated, AI-powered, climate-smart, and data-driven. Future farmers may use drones, robotics, satellites, AI systems, and advanced digital technologies alongside traditional farming knowledge. Countries investing in agricultural innovation today may become global leaders tomorrow. The agricultural revolution has already begun, and technology is becoming one of the most powerful tools for feeding humanity. Agriculture feeds the world, and innovation may determine the future of human survival. Artificial intelligence, robotics, smart farming, and sustainable technologies are transforming agriculture faster than ever before. This is more than technology. It is the future of food. And the future has already begun. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more videos about smart farming, artificial intelligence, agricultural innovation, and future technology.